Ciao! I'm getting ready for my exercise. And as usual, when I exercise, I sing. When I cook, I sing. When I'm cleaning, I sing. Join me in my pre-exercise singing. Speaking of singing, one of my favorite singers and idols of all time, our very own Lea Salonga. Siyempre, diba? Idol ko yan since I was a kid. Anyway, wait. This is my pull-up bar. I have my home equipment para makamura. Because here in Italy, going to the gym, I think will cost you 400 euros a month or 200. So this cost, I forgot. But anyway, it's very stable. Diba? I think it can hold up to 60 kilograms of weight. It will not fall. And another of my favorite equipment, push-up bars. This one cost only 5 euros. I use dumbbells, 2 kilograms only, but not for weightlifting, but for punching exercises with a dumbbell. I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? Take you wonder by wonder. Let's go to the where I found a space to practice my kicks. I stretch every day, but my kicks just once a week. So I'm old now, really just 1 year away from turning 50. I used to be a taekwondo player when I was in high school. It's a long Jurassic years ago. It's only a small space, at least, di ba? Wala akong mababasag. I did taekwondo and jeet kune-do, the martial arts of Bruce Lee. So that was a long time ago. So became busy. So I just, exercise kantang simpleng exercise na lang. Just enough for me to stretch and do my kicks. So anyway, back to Lea Salonga. So I'm a super fan of Lea Salonga. Who isn't? Her album when she was a kid, she has this, a close-up of her and her beautiful smile, perfect teeth. I used to stare a lot at her teeth. Galing, ganda. And I think the album was Small Voice. So I know all the songs. And my brothers, they sing the songs of Lea. Chiquitita, even I know I am but a small voice. I'm but a small dream. Happiness. When I was young, 6 years old. 6 years old. Okay. I sang that song in a singing contest and I won singing Happiness. So I think I won not because I had a great voice. I won because of my interpretation. Because when I sing, I choreograph. I add choreography. So happiness, as in 2 kinds. I did like this: 2 kinds of ice cream. Top of the world looking. For that, I won one of the 3 finalists. Second or third. I was so young. Naalala ko pa sa Holiday Inn Hotel. There's this one song that makes me cry. Mama. Da-na-na. Oh, dear. Like to teach the world to sing perfect harmony. Na-na-na-na-na in my arms and keep me company. Dami. Brave little one, make a wish for each sad little tear. Na-na-na-na-na, no one is here. Someone's waiting for you. A whole new world. A dazzling place I never knew. But now from way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with you. Pass. Anyway, so yun. Ciao. Shout out to Kathy, my former colleague in GMA. Sabi niya, continue ko lang daw yung vlogging ko. So, go. Vlog and sing and exercise. Keep on singing. Ciao.